bank all your sales intact, because it shows the bank your potential for generating cash, your potential for generating liquidity. I have got an unsecured loan from the banks, but why would they trust me to get a secured loan from them? Because they know the liquidity potential that I have as a business to be able to pay back the loan. So one of the businesses we're helping to set up together their system, then we reached the place for doing bank reconciliations. This is about 10 years ago. She had made sales that month of 30 million. But the money that reached the bank was only 3 million. Like the whole month, the money that reached the bank was only 3 million. But the sales that they made were like 30 million. This particular business was actually borrowing money from a loan shark at a very, very high interest rate. And I told her, do you know, if you're banking all your sales intact and your liquidity, your sales that you're banking is like up 30 million or so on a monthly basis, the bank can actually give you a unsecured loan at a very, very low rate. I think at that time, the loan sharks were giving, is it 5% per month? Per year, that is 60%. The banks at that time were giving 24% per annum. Now compare getting a loan at 60% per annum, that is a lot of your profit that is, going into paying loans, and getting money from a bank at 24% per annum. But because we do not bank our sales intact, we do not prove to the bank that we have the potential to pay this particular loan. So ladies and gentlemen, one of the ways of getting cheap loan, relatively cheap from the loan sharks, is getting money from the bank. But the bank can only trust your ability to pay by you proving your historical ability to generate the revenues. So the bank will ask you, show me your show me your bank statements for the last 6 months or the last 1 year. Show me your financial statements, your income and expenditure statements for the last couple of years. Based on that information, even without a land title, you can get a loan from the bank.